put cookies in hot water and no one believed the result. In a pan, I'll start by adding 200 milliliters of water. Once the water's hot, I'll add 1.5 packs of cornstarch cookies. Then 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'll also add 1.5 tablespoons of butter or margarine. Now, we'll mix it well until the cookies start to break down. When it reaches this point, I'll add 50 g of shredded coconut. If you prefer, you can also use desiccated coconut. Then, we'll stir over medium heat until it thickens. When it turns into a dough, folks, that's the ideal point. After that, we'll take it out and move to the countertop. We'll take small amounts and roll them like brigadeiros. Repeat this process with the remaining dough. I'm using chocolate chips, which I'll melt in the microwave. After melting, we'll mix everything with the melted chocolate. Now we'll take our balls and dip them in the chocolate. Repeat the process with all of them. Once done, I added coconut on top to decorate. Look how amazing this dessert is. Quick, easy, and delicious. It's simple to make and very budget friendly. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.